Today, I'm super excited because I've been testing out the brand new Vivo X200 Pro, and wow, this phone packs a punch. In this video, we'll unbox the device, explore its killer design, check out the powerful Dimensity 9400 chip, and see how it performs in real life. Plus, we'll test the cameras, performance, battery life, and more. Is this the flagship you've been waiting for? Let us find out. Alright, starting with the unboxing. Here is the retail packaging. This is the Chinese version, but the global one should be nearly identical, except for some branding differences. Inside, you've got the Vivo X200 Pro right on top. Alongside it, we've got Vivo S Superfast 100W charger, Type A to Type C cable, a semi-ejector tool, and yes, a protective case. Always great to see that added in for extra protection. A little bit of paperwork too, but since this is the Chinese version, it's all in Chinese. Now, let us talk design. The Vivo X200 Pro looks and feels ultra premium. It's got some weight to it, over 210 grams, which gives it that solid, high-end feel. The metal frame, coupled with a flat AMOLED 120Hz display, looks amazing. And check out the back, it's got this beautiful brushed pattern that reflects light in a really unique way. The camera module, massive and powerful. We've got a 50MP main sensor, a 50MP ultra-wide, and a 200MP periscopic zoom lens with 3.7x optical zoom. This thing is a photography beast, and it's partnered with Zeiss for some added magic. The 6.78-inch AMOLED display is stunning, even under bright sunlight. It's flat, crisp, and buttery smooth with its 120Hz refresh rate. Vivo also kept their super-fast ultrasonic fingerprint scanner, and let me tell you, it's incredibly responsive. Just a quick tap and boom, you're in. The display resolution is 2800 x 1260. It's not 4K, but it still looks fantastic with vivid colors and deep blacks. Now, let us move on to what Vivo does best, the cameras. I've been shooting in various conditions, and the X200 Pro delivers some impressive results. Here is the front-facing 32MP camera. It's limited to 1080p in portrait mode, but it still looks really good. On the back, the 50MP main camera is super sharp, and even in low light, the shots are solid. I wish it had the 1-inch sensor like previous models, but Vivo claims this new sensor improves HDR and low-light performance. From what I've seen, it's holding up well. The 200MP periscope camera is a standout feature. With 3.7x optical zoom and up to 100x digital zoom, you can capture crazy details from far away. Check out this shot. 100x zoom on a Tesla badge still looks clear. The ultra-wide 50MP camera is great, although I wish it was a bit wider, but that's a small nitpick. I've also done a camera comparison with the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra and iPhone 16 Pro Max, and trust me, the X200 Pro is right up there in terms of zoom performance, portrait shots, and low-light capabilities. Make sure to check out that comparison on my channel. Under the hood, we've got the Dimensity 9400 chip, which is an absolute powerhouse. The Antutu benchmark scores almost 3 million points, absolutely crushing the competition. The GPU performance is off the charts, outpacing even the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 in some tests. Storage speeds are another highlight. 1 TB with blazing fast read and write speeds. You won't notice any lags, and everything from gaming to multitasking feels super smooth. Just don't forget these synthetic benchmarks are crazy, but in day-to-day usage, it's all about the real-world experience, and it's snappy. This is the first phone I've used running Android 15 with Vivo S Origin OS super smooth. fast animations, and really responsive. Global units will come with Funouch OS, so stay tuned for that. The Chinese ROM has some bloatware, but you can install Google services with no issues. Battery life is stellar. The 6000 mAh battery is getting me around 9 to 10 hours of screen on time, and with the 100W charger, it charges fully in just over 30 minutes. Talk about fast. So, after 24 hours with the Vivo X200 Pro, I can confidently say this is one of the most exciting flagship phones of the year. The Dimensity 9400 is a beast, the cameras are top-notch, and the design is beautiful. It has a few minor flaws, but nothing that breaks the deal. I'm really looking forward to seeing how the global version with Funouch OS performs. Let me know in the comments what you think. Is this a worthy upgrade from the X100 Pro? Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more in-depth reviews and comparisons.